If you've ever wondered what's really going on under the hood of performance vehicles, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a list of 10 powerful vehicle modifications that are technically prohibited, discouraged, or outright illegal, but still loved by car enthusiasts for one big reason: they work. These mods often boost performance in ways most people never realize, improving things like horsepower and throttle response without a single mention in your car's manual. While your dealer may never bring them up, seasoned gearheads know exactly what these hidden upgrades can do. Let's start with one of the most controversial changes: removing the catalytic converter. Catalytic converters are designed to reduce harmful emissions. They do this by pushing exhaust gases through a honeycomb structure coated with precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. While this helps the environment, it also creates something called back pressure, essentially resistance that makes it harder for your engine to breathe. That back pressure can rob your engine of power and efficiency, especially at high RPMs. When a catalytic converter is removed and replaced with a straight pipe, the exhaust can flow freely. This not only increases horsepower, sometimes by 10 to 20 horsepower depending on the engine, but also sharpens throttle response. You'll hear a much more aggressive exhaust note too, which is a big part of the appeal for many drivers. Turbocharged engines see an even bigger benefit, as lower back pressure allows the turbo to spool faster and maintain more boost. However, this kind of mod comes with serious risks. It's illegal under the Clean Air Act in all 50 US states, and the consequences go beyond just breaking the law. Many states require emissions tests that your car will automatically fail if it doesn't have a catalytic converter. Federal fines for tampering with emissions equipment can hit $2,500 per violation. On top of that, most repair shops won't even touch a vehicle that's missing its catalytic converter, and your insurance company might refuse to cover any damages if they find out about the change. So, while the performance gains are real and tempting, removing your catalytic converter is a gamble that could cost you big, legally, financially, and ethically. And that's just number 10. The rest of the list only gets more intense. Number 10, the emissions dilemma. Do you choose power or planet? Catalytic converters cut up to 90% of hazardous emissions. Without them, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons skyrocket. The catch? Removing or bypassing them can supercharge your ride, especially on track builds. But here's the kicker. Many drivers end up taking these tuned beasts onto public roads, where they face both legal risks and a deeper moral question. Do you choose environmental responsibility or raw performance? Number 9. ECU Tuning, hacking your car's brain. No wrenches needed for this one, just a laptop and nerves. Flashing your ECU to disable emissions limits is technically illegal under the Clean Air Act, but it unlocks serious hidden potential. Manufacturers deliberately restrict your engine's output with rich fuel maps and conservative timing. A skilled tuner can give you back 20 to 50 horsepower by adjusting ignition, fuel ratios, and disabling power-choking systems like EGR. The result? Sharper throttle, better power curves, even improved fuel economy in some cases. But it's a legal gray zone. States vary in enforcement. Some run advanced emissions diagnostics, others don't even check. California's CARB is cracking down hard, forcing many tuners underground or online. Experts argue this kind of tuning can actually protect your engine, reducing carbon buildup, lowering temperatures, and minimizing knock. But make no mistake, a bad tune can destroy your engine fast. Done right, it'll cost you $500 to $2,000. Done wrong, it'll cost you your motor. Manufacturers are fighting back too, using tamper-evident seals, hidden logs, and warranty-blocking flags. It's a cat-and-mouse game, and right now, the cat is getting smarter. Number 8. Cold air intake. MAF sensor tweaks. Simple swap, serious gains. Cold air intakes are a favorite among enthusiasts, and for good reason. They move your air filter outside the hot engine bay, sucking in cooler, denser air with more oxygen per cubic inch. When paired with wider tubing and high-flow filters, airflow can jump by 20–30%. Turbocharged engines, in particular, love the cooler air. It improves timing, reduces knock, and increases turbo efficiency. Gains of 15–25 horsepower aren't uncommon. But here's where things get tricky. Modifying or relocating the MAF sensor, essential for fuel calculations, technically violates federal law, even if emissions aren't worsened. Most manufacturers slap on a race-use-only label to dodge liability. In reality, these parts are almost always used on the street. It's legal fiction, and it keeps things murky for regulators and drivers alike. Just remember, quality matters. A poorly installed intake can create turbulence or suffer from heat soak, killing the gains you were chasing. Full systems can cost over $1,500, but pro installation and calibration can make the difference between a clean boost or a costly mistake. Number 7. Muffler and resonator deletes. Loud, proud, and possibly illegal. Want your car to sound like a beast? Muffler and resonator deletes deliver deep, aggressive exhaust tones and noticeable power gains. But there's a price. Noise ordinances and emissions laws in many areas make this mod risky business. This upgrade sits right at the intersection of performance and public disturbance. It's a love-it-or-hate-it mod, adored by track rats and rev heads, hated by neighbors and local law enforcement. Depending on your location, it could earn you a ticket, or worse, a failed inspection. But for many, the sound is worth it. Number 6. Straight pipe exhaust systems. To meet highway noise laws, usually capped between 75 and 80 decibels, car manufacturers design exhaust systems with built-in sound restrictions. Mufflers use baffles and sound-absorbing material to muffle the overall volume, while resonators are tuned to cancel specific frequencies. While effective at keeping cars quiet, these components create back pressure that makes it harder for the engine to expel exhaust, especially at higher RPMs. This back pressure limits horsepower and throttle response. Replacing the factory system with a straight pipe removes those restrictions. By eliminating mufflers and resonators, exhaust gases flow freely, reducing back pressure and often unlocking an extra 5 to 15 horsepower, depending on the engine and original setup. Modified or boosted engines, like turbocharged and supercharged builds, benefit the most, as they're especially sensitive to airflow restrictions. However, straight pipe mods often come with legal and social consequences. Some regions enforce noise ordinances strictly, while others are more relaxed. In California, loud exhaust can result in fines up to $1,000. Some jurisdictions even ban any alterations to stock exhausts regardless of volume. On the social side, overly loud cars can lead to neighborhood complaints and community bans. In some cases, entire car groups have been restricted from gathering due to excessive noise. Proper installation is also crucial. The exhaust pipe diameter must be carefully chosen to suit the engine, and poor welding can result in vibrations or highway drone. A professional straight pipe setup typically costs between $300 and $800, and it's essential to research local laws before installing. Number 5. Fuel system return line modification. Modern cars use returnless fuel systems with internal regulators to control pressure and reduce emissions. These setups are designed to prevent gasoline vapors from escaping into the air. However, they can struggle under high demand, especially in performance driving or with modified engines. Adding an aftermarket return system introduces external regulators and return lines, allowing more consistent fuel pressure delivery. This helps avoid lean conditions when not enough fuel reaches the engine, which can lead to detonation or engine damage. Turbocharged engines benefit significantly since increased boost can overwhelm returnless setups. While this mod improves reliability and performance, it violates emissions regulations. The return system can vent vapors into the atmosphere, which goes against the Clean Air Act. That said, Because it's subtle and hard to detect during basic inspections, it's a hidden mod many tuners risk. Installing a return system isn't easy. It requires deep knowledge of fuel delivery, vapor control, and high-pressure safety. Mistakes can lead to dangerous fuel leaks or fires. Quality systems from brands like Aeromotive or Fuel Injector Clinic range from $400 to $200, not including labor. Though the benefits are real, the legal and safety concerns make this a modification best left to experienced builders who fully understand the risks. Number 4. Air suspension conversion for track use. Airbag suspension systems give drivers the ability to fine-tune ride height and stiffness, something factory suspensions can't match. With these systems, a car can be lowered for high-speed driving or raised for obstacles like speed bumps or steep driveways. Many setups also include real-time electronic damping control. From a performance perspective, air suspension can improve weight transfer and stability during braking and cornering. It also offers more flexibility than traditional static suspensions, allowing drivers to adjust based on conditions. However, airbag systems can run afoul of state laws and federal safety standards. Most states prohibit excessive changes in ride height, especially those beyond what the manufacturer allows. Insurance companies are also cautious. Many deny coverage if air suspension is involved in a crash. Installation quality is another concern. Improper setups can lead to failures at high speeds, putting everyone on the road at risk. These systems rely on precision-installed air lines, valves, compressors, and control modules. A failure in any part could lead to loss of control. Air suspension offers big gains in performance and appearance, but improper use or poor installation can lead to safety hazards and legal issues. Number 3. Exhaust cutout systems. Cutout systems allow drivers to switch between a muffled, legal exhaust and a full straight pipe setup at the touch of a button. Normally, exhaust gases flow through mufflers and resonators, but when the valve is opened, they exit directly to the atmosphere, maximizing power and sound. This gives drivers flexibility, quiet for daily use or inspections, and loud for performance driving. High-end systems can unlock 20 to 30 additional horsepower at high RPM by removing restrictions. Despite the clever design, these systems are legally questionable. Many regions ban devices that allow drivers to bypass noise limits, even temporarily. The fact that a car can instantly switch from legal to illegal is troubling for law enforcement. Installation is also complex. These systems require integration with vehicle electronics or aftermarket controllers. High-quality kits from companies like Borla or Corsa cost between $2,000 and $5,000. Cheaper setups often suffer from leaks, poor welds, and annoying cabin drones. From a social standpoint, cutouts are controversial. They make it easy to drive quietly near law enforcement or in cities, then open up and create disruptive noise elsewhere. Misuse has led to stricter laws and even bans on certain car clubs in public areas. Number 2. Manual transmission swaps in automatic cars. Converting a car from automatic to manual transmission dramatically changes how it drives. Enthusiasts love the increased control, quicker shifts, and mechanical connection to the engine. Manual setups eliminate power losses caused by torque converters and make the car more engaging to drive. This mod can lead to real-world gains, better lap times, more fun behind the wheel, and improved engine braking. Unfortunately, it's also one of the most legally and technically challenging swaps. Federal crash standards are based on the original drivetrain. Swapping the transmission means modifying the floor and tunnel, voiding those safety certifications. State registration systems rarely recognize drivetrain swaps, leading to title issues, insurance complications, and failed inspections. Emissions compliance is nearly impossible post-swap, since key sensors and systems may be removed or disabled. A proper swap takes months and requires deep mechanical knowledge. The process includes cutting and reinforcing the transmission tunnel, adding a clutch pedal, installing hydraulic lines, and updating the vehicle's computer. A well-executed conversion can cost anywhere from $8,000 to $15,000. If done poorly, it's dangerous. Failed conversions can lead to loss of control or total drivetrain failure during hard driving. Insurance may be voided, and some states allow authorities to impound cars that no longer match factory records. Still, for dedicated drivers who value experience over convenience, the appeal of rowing through gears remains strong, laws or not. Number 1. ECU Reflash for racing fuel. Reprogramming a car's ECU to run on racing fuels like E85 or 100-plus octane unleaded unleashes enormous power. Unlike standard gasoline, these high-octane fuels support aggressive timing, higher boost, and advanced ignition strategies, delivering power increases of up to 60% in some turbocharged engines. E85, with its alcohol base, cools the combustion chamber and allows for higher compression. The results are staggering: significant gains in torque, throttle response, and overall output. But there's a major problem. It's completely illegal for street use. These tunes bypass emissions controls entirely. Catalytic converters, O2 sensors, and evaporative systems are often turned off or ignored. As a result, the car can't pass inspections, and emissions skyrocket far beyond legal limits. The fuel itself is often banned on public roads. On the technical side, switching to E85 requires larger injectors, stronger fuel pumps, and alcohol-resistant fuel lines. Tuning must be done with precision. Any mistake could result in engine damage or even failure. This is the most extreme modification. It delivers jaw-dropping power, but at the cost of legal compliance and emissions. Drivers must choose between ultimate performance and following the rules, because doing both is rarely an option. Each of these 10 modifications proves a simple truth. When you push beyond the boundaries, you unlock serious performance. But those gains often come with legal risks, safety challenges, and public scrutiny. If you're passionate about smart performance upgrades, make sure to like and subscribe. Which one of these mods would you actually try? Drop your answer in the comments.